Alrighty, everyone, welcome to today's session again. My name is Christian Ndubisi. Remember that for each of these videos, you need to watch it and also experiment on what we've done for today. And when you do it, you can reach out to me via email, or you indicate on the Telegram group, and you will get your own share of the NFT. Remember, every month you have the chance to win an NFT worth at least $200. Yeah. So today's session, we'll talk about Binance P2P. As you can see, inflation is really biting hard, right? So if you are a crypto trader, it is very important to learn how to buy and sell on Binance P2P. How you can buy dollars, how you can buy Ethereum, how you can buy Bitcoin or any coin on Binance using P2P, right? So remember, for you to be able to do this, you need to be registered on Binance and you may have completed your KYC. If you have not done that, all you need to do is click on this icon and click on register, right? As soon as you do that, you put in your email address or your phone number and also try to complete the identity verification, right? For you to be able to benefit from this. So if you're already registered, right, the most important thing you need to do to be able to buy and sell on Binance P2P is just click on P2P trading, right? When you click on P2P trading, at the top right, at the top middle corner, you can see there are a lot of coins you can actually buy and sell on P2P. You can buy USDT, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy BUSD, you can buy BNB, Ethereum, in fact, even Nigerian Naira and Solana. A lot of coins, right? You can also sell by clicking on sell. So let me show you how to buy. Let's say, for example, you already have you have money. Let's say you have Naira in your local bank account and you want to change it to dollar so that you can buy any coin. All you need to do is click on buy, then select BUSD or USDT. Well, for the purpose of this class, let's use BUSD. I choose BUSD because BUSD is more transparent than USDT, right? And it is more acceptable, right? So when you click on it, you click on amount, right? Amount is how much you are willing to spend in making this trade. Let's say, for example, you have 20,000 naira in your bank account and you want to spend up to 20,000 naira. You want to spend like 10,000 naira buying dollar, that is BUSD. All you need to do is okay, let's make it bigger. Let's say, for example, you want to buy 50,000 naira worth of dollar from your bank account. All you need to do is, as soon as you click on, remember, you click on buy, you then click on BUSD, then you click on amount and specify how much you want to spend. So in this case, 50,000 naira, right? You confirm, right? As soon as you click on confirm, you will see a lot of people that are willing to sell their dollars to you. As you can see, dollar has risen from as low as 600 naira to as high as 700 naira in just few weeks, and it's poised to go up again, right? So let's say, for example, you want to buy from JB Smart. All you need to do is to click on buy, right? When you click on buy, you still specify how much you want to spend. So in this case, 50,000, right? It's showing you that you will get $71. So 50,000 naira will give you $71. So all you need to do is click on buy with zero fees, right? When you click on buy, the most important thing you will need to do is you need to get the payment detail. You need to get the local bank account of this user so that you can make a payment to them, right? Remember, do not place a trade if you are not willing to make a trade, right? So for you to get the bank account details, all you need to do is click on make payment. Make payment is by the bottom left corner. So when you do that, you can see, you will see the account details and the account where you make the payment. Let's say, for example, in this case, I'm paying, the bank name is PalmPay and the bank account number is this. All I need to do is to click on all these icons to be able to copy the details. Let's say I click on this icon, I'll be able to copy the bank account detail of the person I'm buying this BTC from. Well, all I need to do is to rush to my mobile banking app, all right, to my banking app, and transfer money to this account and to this bank name. As soon as I do it, I need to confirm that the name actually tallies. So when you put in and you see you see this name, it means they've actually tallied. It can also be different for your own, right? But for my own, this is the name. When I put it in, I make sure that the name is the same. So as soon as I transfer the money, it is very important that as I'm doing this, I also keep a close watch on the timer, the time remaining for me, right? As you can see, the time remaining is this. The system is telling me that I need to transfer this money to this user within 13 minutes, right? So when I'm making this transaction, I will keep checking this time to make sure I've not exhausted it. So as soon as I transfer the money, the next step I will take is to click on transferred, notify seller. It is very important. If you don't click this, most times you may lose your money, right? So as soon as you transfer money to the person selling dollar to you, please come back and click transferred, notify seller. As soon as you do this, automatically Binance will be notified that yes, you've transferred this money. Then it will tell the seller to confirm that they have seen the money that you transferred to them, right? As soon as they confirm that yes, they have seen this money that you transferred to them to their local bank account, automatically they will release your coin, and automatically the $71.2 will automatically come to your to your Binance account, right? So this is very simple and this is very straightforward. Okay, please only click this transfer to notify seller only when you have transferred the money. Do not click it when you have not. All right, so it's also easy to what is it called, it's also very easy to buy as well. So to sell. You've been able to buy. The next step is to sell. Let's say, for example, you finish your trading and at some point you want to sell the dollar. Maybe you have dollar in your Binance account and you want to sell it so that you can get Naira or any other local currency in your bank account. All you need to do is still come back to this P2P trading, right? When you come back to this P2P trading, click on sell, right? When you click on sell, you choose the BU. If it is BUSD that you want to sell, you click on BUSD. If it is USDT, you click on USDT. But for the purpose of this class, I'm using BUSD. So when you do that, but first of all, the first step you will need to take is to transfer the BUSD that you already have. Okay, let's say, for example, I have BUSD. All I need to do is to click on wallet. You need to transfer the BUSD that you already have, or the coin you already have, from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. So to do that, all you need to do is click on wallet and click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you click on this BTC so that you can change it to BUSD. Okay, then you click on how many BUSD that you want to transfer. Let's say in this case, let's say 50 BUSD. As soon as you do that, if you have enough BUSD, you just have to click on confirm transfer. When you finish doing that, the next step is for you to now go and sell it, right? You want to sell off that BUSD so that you can get Naira into your local bank account, right? So all you need to do is to click on P2P trade again and click on sell, because you have dollar and you want to sell it off so that you can get your local money, maybe Naira in this scenario. So the next step is you will see the list of people that wants to sell, right? Let's say, for example, I want to sell to Gidi 001. All I need to do is to click on sell, right? When I click on sell, I'll now specify how many USDT or BUSD that I want to sell to him. Then I'll click on sell with zero fee, right? As soon as I click on sell, Binance will hold my BUSD in escrow, right? Binance will hold my BUSD in escrow. So what that means is that Binance can only release this coin to the person that bought it from you only when you confirm that yes, you have received payment. Okay, so invariably what this means now is that when you click on sell, the person will see your account details, right? They will see your account details and they will transfer something like Naira or any other local currency, fiat currency to you, depending on the country where you are. As soon as they transfer it to you, they click on transferred. Your role now is to check with your bank, to check, maybe check your mobile app, your bank mobile app, or to check your alert to make sure that you got the payment, the complete payment, right? Remember, for example, if I'm selling to Allergy, I'm selling to Emalet, for example. Remember, when I put in the 50 BUSD, it's telling me that I will receive 34,807 Naira, right? So what that means is that I will be looking out for this 34,807 Naira in my local bank account. As soon as I see it, I will come back and click, I have received payment. You come back and click, I have received payment. As soon as you click it, it will transfer, Binance will transfer the BUSD to the buyer and automatically you've been able to sell. So this is very easy and you should try it out, right? It's time, the economy is not getting well, right? So it's very important you try out this, try to buy dollar and hold. Try to buy BUSD and USDT or any other coin, especially BUSD and USDT. Hold it, right? At some point when you want to sell, you also sell it on P2P and you'll get your money in your local bank account. So yeah, thank you so much for joining today's session. I'll be releasing the next series. Remember, as you watch, go and try this out. When you try it out, indicate by filling the form in the Telegram group. As soon as you finish filling the form, quickly will enter you into the monthly draw where you will have the opportunity to win the NFT. Remember, the floor price is always set at least $200. So thank you so much for watching this video and I'm looking forward to releasing the next series.